Hey guys, it's SB
and Trey,
and we are on the way to South Mountain State Park to go look at some waterfalls. So we thought we'd take you along with us on the journey. So let's see what we'll be up to today. Waterfall is closed, but there are other little mini waterfalls. We just have to find them. So we're gonna explore now and see if we can find some. They said there's one, we have to look for the sign Black Bear. So we're gonna walk around, drive around, see what we can find.
Look at fish.
Oh my gosh!
Big salmon or something.
That's so cool. You look so comfortable.
Look at the alligator. Alright, we're walking to the next waterfall. I think we're about there, but it also just started to rain and thunder. So we don't know how long we'll be here, but what we see, you'll see.
It's fine!
Not pulling me in.
You did it!
So mission complete, we did end up making it to one of the waterfalls, and so we got a nice swim in. We have it all to ourselves right now, but unfortunately it is thundering and we don't want to get electrocuted, so we had our fun and we're going to go ahead and head back to the car. But yeah, this is really fun.
But look at this view. We have this all to ourselves.
Especially cool, it's only like an hour and a half away. Like Charlotte's only like, the city actually is only an hour and a half away, and then you have all this basically right in his backyard. So pretty cool.